Uh, Hello, good afternoon, good teacher and classmates. My team is number 5, and my members is Valderas Cortés Ricardo, Castillo Barajas Juan Francisco, Ponce Hidalgo José Enrique, Núñez Rodríguez Christopher, and Razo Servín Eric.
Sand casting. Definition. It is a widely used metallurgical, metallurgical process in foundries. Since almost all metals can be worked with this method. Factors is manufactured is use of sand mold to shape complex parts almost only allow. Sand casting typically has alloy production rate as the mold must be destroyed to remove the part plus the superficie finish is typically relativity raw requires a final finishing process. Molding process. Step 1. The process being white molded, which is replica of the desired part except that is slightly larger to allow for the material shaking during solidification and cooling. A molding box is set in place and filling with sand. Pressure is then applied to the sand to compact it, firmly against the face of the molding, and sand is compacted. It minds and displays the exact shapes of the model after is it is removed from the mold.
Molding process. Step 2. The next step is to place the cards or cards, if any, in the lower half of the mold. Then the upper or half of the mold is fixed in place, and then the mold is now closed and ready to pour the molding material. When the part has solidified, return for reconditioning for later use. An important aspect of sand casting is that the sand can be reused many times, requiring only small additions of new sand, clay, and water. Most used materials. In sand casting, it can be manufactured with practically any alloy, but it is used with a high melting point such as steel, nickel, and titanium. The most in this process are aluminum alloys, brass alloys, foundries, and steels. Advantages. One of the advantages of molding is its versatility. Being able to use small parts and very large parts. This translates into a wide range of products. Examples of items made in modern industry by this process are cylinders, valves, engine blocks, pump castings, machine tool bases, buoys, motor manifolds, bearings and bushings, gears, parts, electrical parts, machine parts, nuts, and other.